obi nim si ama na kola 2 billion na kola na aye asantema bofo e ma ne car no obi nim ese sa na kola no ama no 2 billion e da na solid no na kola no begina e obi nim na da kola no begina se wama no 2 billion wa che ni Range Rover 2017 Range Rover sa Range Rover Fidelity Bank for na di che obi nim ana obi nim se wama na kola 2 billion e wona so the check of 2 billion se wo boa wan fa check bi ama no o ko fanto de ko fante aba betena TV so se ko fante eye komfo me makola agumani ase e wo blend sa na bese mo obi nim ti ase pray nye pray fa se de wo nam no sa no oda me gogu nsa I respect me a lot so wo mumi a me so me mu no na obo se mo information bibiri information me free information minister o se Ghana by kra o to me this minister of information na gogu nsa e di sa Range Rover na obi nim o ka se wo dia che sa boy na obofo to e di Range Rover che no e wai wo obi nim o di jira so de mo video no YouTube so the car 2017 wo dia che boy no watching 2 billion boy na ko bank akwa 2 billion no o ko ye o wa su ko na e fe ni boy no ko ya 2 billion ayi sa 2 billion wanya 2 billion bia ayi scan wanya. The guy went to the bank so many times. When you 2 billion, a bia when you 2 billion, no, when call bank ko when you 2 billion. And do you mini parents or more be fake check here? So man 2 billion. Watching Range Rover 2017. One pastor that day no chair pastor lost as a wine, which had 500 million, lost at Makuyi. Which pastor wisdom 100 million. Wisdom akoyi ade na minu ya buru ni de nisika wo bi ni wo so de ache no e sika na ewai sa 2 billion na so de ache eye friend say boy no fit achima na sofo eye friend say sofo tenten ya wo cheche kazi o akwa tenten kura wo ba TV so otwa Ponky Joe ne maame eye Ponky Joe ne papa de friend say obofo may God really bless you. Obofo nyame nhyirawo a champon na wine na ekase no obofo nyame nhyirawo. You are talented and super and authentic. Obofo only a flow so obofo enye obofo no omtete say angel meba dey ma beda ne kwa dobi obi ni upada no dey mbra ni go bu nzam se meti etwo upa simi dey mu ne maskatao amon say yes me na me ka chu pray so otimi di ko fante akwara we etim betolenti wo mind na adiri ko tell national TV so ekumi ko kubu nsema ni mase se me makwala amatete na mabie branch ama no na wo so agie di wa bra on frame phone zoom misame na oguma ni mase a wo so tie 2 billion na odema wo sofo na wo free touchman no check and go through wo di sofo ni gina wa solid dem ka kire nse wa che the car 2016 saka no Fidelity Bank for na ede mawo so de ache no wan fa car na ama no etina obofo hu no obofo emugro ni ana os there bi se woni car obisa so ka os mi ni car ana os woni car me de ache na okay se wo so de car na mana car na wai 2017 Range Rover away so what I say I would begin was on watching 2 billion away I then I wouldn't say woman 2 billion they try record na na kasanu o ka che papa usu hia sika o mabi na obi a na ho kire na sem de odi to anya na di kura no wonya bi ko sika ko be ko Nigeria ase Togo ase Benin e de bag abone chi asa na ko papa na so de dem enji obi a wo bi ne kura na ka be ka che obofo se wa ya ade obofo no wa ya ade se wo to ka no e de ka ne che wo ba no e se man sika do so pori e de ka ho share the video na God really bless you enti obi nim de me ka che ni pray nye pray fa se me se kokran for afere so betonu ma so fere so de asawa betalo so na me can pray. I always say the truth and the truth shall make me free. If I die today it's over. If I die tomorrow it's over. Onyankopon kwa de betima bua matan and don't just buy it cover. When you just buy it cover, you're going to make a lot of mistakes. So, anybody who we are here, they will say, "Omu kwa de no mope," because you me in physically and spiritually. Media boy, what I'm saying that there's some people, there's some pastors here in Ghana that they think that they are wiser than everybody. There's one pastor, you can Google his name is called Obinim. She is not true man of God. I want to repeat it. She is not true man of God. The reason why I say this is that there was a guy who is a carpenter come to my place at Accra, and this guy was telling me that Nana, she was carpenter, and this guy, I went to the state to do plastic surgery, and the guy was staying in my house. He used all my house to rent. So when I came back, I said, "Well, I'll let the police to arrest you, or I will curse you. I'll give it to Kofi. And this guy ran away to your church, whereby you put this guy on the TV station that he is my small boy, so you ordain him to run away Kofi Powers. And he didn't call me. You have my number. You didn't call me. That's how I also become annoying. That what he's doing is not good. And he said that he give a 2 million to one of his pastor. He was lying. The check didn't go through. The check didn't go through. He said he give the church member, that pastor, he from Techman, he give him, 2 billion. And the 2 billion is not go through. And the Range Rover, he said he give it to him. He didn't give the Range Rover. The Range Rover is 2017 Range Rover registered. He didn't give. You understand? So this person is a man of God. He's not a man of God. How can a man of God do such a thing? Because of his stomach. That's why you all do all these things. A man of God talk according to the gospel. A man of God didn't do all these things. You are calling yourself the man of God. You have to do the way what Jesus Christ came to do. There is no way for a man of God to insult each other. There is no way a man of God to say this and that. You have to be in the positive way. Yes, sorry, because yes, the man of God, a man of God, any will be a bit better. I can't want to be no answer. Share video yambisha. And to be say 2 billion, I will say, what the man wakolano, a way, Ogoyi and as Wogoyi. Range over Nakaino, and to offer Yamisha, what it? Offer Yami, Yamishao, Yamin Tunkonum, Namina Nagomus, a metu bedi, papa, Miss Mimiko, conform a war, Edinburgh to Obofo. I tell you, I'm serious, because what this Obinum is doing is not good, and it's incredible, because a man of God should stand in firm, should stand in the good position. How you call yourself the man of God and you are doing all these things? I don't want to do this video long. I don't want to do this video long. But if Obinum doesn't know, and didn't go and bring the boy back to the TV station and let the boy to do the regenda, he go hear tongues, hear ba 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 ba. Because this one is part 1, that is part 2. The part 3 is going to be tomorrow. The part 3 is going to be tomorrow. I'm asking Obinum, did he know the girl called Pamela? The one he buy her a Corolla S, the red color. The girl who give birth with the twins. Full stop. The guy is she. Obana Oto Corolla red in the man. Pamela or one half of a coffee. Yanko Pompe Pavantra. Sao Bano, any a part 3 or Chinavia, and never bomb the fire. This is part 2. Yes, this one is part 2. Part 3, Obinim part 3 will come tomorrow. Tomorrow next, Obinim part 4. Every day will be in one semester. Samson go for Cofantino, but you want to go and for 2 TV, so no one misunderstanding, no one for Anka. Now, dear Wayameno, we do Yame. Any never see to my hat bonting. me ka kofi me ka mame ewuda ka hye hye na se me respect me ka me papa o se men se o hye fom e ka me mame abra kra o hye fom ka me hye manim wi enan wo madi ho ya. I'm so disappointed on you obinim o madi ho ya pa je sem si do na wo timi di ko fanti me relative su kumi ko pum se manim ase no ene nyina be so pa ye ho me ka chi oprenye fa obi a share video no wo na so ba fama ne se me se masu mani na ye ko ne ni woni ma wo se mani enso ne wa ase no saade a wa ye me ne me ya etie nyina be se ntuma hata mo bi ahwe menye akonfo nkitinkiti na sem producer mudi musa ru ohunu ma no mo agya no mudi ru ma memo pia ru am hunu akosim tirim na de wombo yi aba bido nyankopon me ka so ka fom and then so small bodyguards mo bi come. Now if you didn't send your crew to come and kill me there, you're all Ghanaians. You speak Twi, I speak Twi. You speak English, I speak English. Only your color is red and black. But what you are breaching. You are breaching your body. That's why you are red. You are not red. You are breaching. And but if you breach your face, your anus is black. Your anus, uhano. Your anus is black. Ubrichi hunyina kwa usabe. Your anus is black. Maka. You are bleaching your face, but anus is black. We are going to part 1. This is part. Hey, Peter. Yay, my brother Peter Paradise. My love, that's my lovely brother. His name is called Peter Paradise. He loved me so much. I also love him so much. Yes. Untimi kofo bi me for TV super kakra manini. No be gumi koku nsema ni ma se da. Peter Paradise wo nim se dem sitie. Ye ni paponi ni aga na obi anim. Ko fa nto onye konfo e carpenter. Wo se mbo afre abasirwa awowo ayi what your friend is saying, what do you call it? Or Abusia FM, Libisa Biswa, Bisa Ochuku, say, a branch ben and last on it, or Jawusuba, mother from man that Doko Bones, Bioman and Zuto, the friend co-fanty, will be in so a Macolo captain. A dear dinner, Oma, I convince you more women massy. Today, what I'm saying is that Obinim is not the man of God. He is not angel. Obinim is not angel. And at the same time, that is number junior because he didn't listen to me and he listened to Obinim. That's why he died. Because if you go and if you went to beg that number, she will never die. She will not and not and not. I have the tape. I have the recorder. Boy, yes. Yes. I will tell the truth and the truth shall make me free. Yes. Yes. Please, everybody must share this video. Everybody must share this video. Obi an share video no. Mani abre papa se krodom. Enti obi nim. Sika na osi 2 billion no so de ama na kwala no. Ode ma na kwala na obofo check, obofo ayade. Obofo ayade. Wasa che na sase. Na mi wagu musam tie no obi ache masase a. Yeso obofo abfrem se na wagu musam. Ma cho sekan ana ma cho ayi. Mobile phone ya. Hey, nyam na sika koto asida me de obofo kra me hu de meye. Me na me se wo na me wo de mba ato no. Me ni sika, me ni hwe. Ye hia ni bobro wa bia me sia. Yes. By God really bless obofo. Obofo, eye me ya say, me ni number, eye me ya say, ye hwe. Obi share video me se share na obofo so hu no, share na obi nim hu no, share na asofo nkese organ hu no. Utimi di sofo charge kwanchanka atem obi nim utimi di na atem se bra ben wabo na mmaye video no mapa osofo charge kwanchanka am na me pa omo chew wudi former president Ronnie Sata na me pa chew wudi afeso snake at kan ho nsem na me pa chew se wunu aba kan kasa asem ne nkire no ene do de aba me am sumom me de me donyame enso abubo me ye fe unbeatable man me din nie